Hey guys and gals.
Or whatever you choose to identify as.
Yeah. Welcome back to our channel. We have a noise in the SuperDuty. Oh, and for those of you that are new to the channel, thanks for stopping in. We have a rattle in the SuperDuty that we've been trying to locate for a while now. We search online like crazy if anybody's had the problem. We found one video by Modern Diesel. Check him out. Shout out to you. He did the legwork and found it. And today we're going to show you what that noise is and also a solution on how to fix it. He didn't really hit on that, but at least he put most of the work in and let us know. So we're going to show you that. So listen to this noise. Let us know if this is the rattle you have. If it does, this is a solution for you. It'll help get you set up.
Alright guys, so that's basically the noise we're hearing. It's like a rattle, so you usually hear it after the truck's warmed up. So usually like if we're going for a drive or something like that, we come to a red light or a stop sign, you'll start to hear it rattle pretty bad. Again, it kind of fluctuates with the RPM, so when the vehicle's warmed up and the RPMs are running a little bit lower, like at a stop, that's when it'll start making the rattle. As you can hear it right now, really good. Ta-da!
All right, guys, we're under the hood. Let's show you what's making that noise. This thing right here. It shakes like that.
You can actually, yeah, it replicates the noise.
You can almost hear it. It does that at certain RPMs, and it shakes like crazy. I mean, the first mount is back there quite a ways, so it has a lot hanging here. Our fix is going to be, we're going to make these two clamp together with stainless steel clamps. It'll hold them in place. So we'll show you how we do that.
So for tools we're going to need for this bad boy, we're going to need some pliers, a 7/16 or 11 millimeter. They're basically the same size. And then drill makes it a little bit easier, so you don't have to do it by hand. And then, you know, you can explain exactly what you got here.
Also, what we're going to use to fix ours are these are stainless steel hose clamps. So we're going to use the 3/4 inch right here, and then we're going to use a 3/8 one for each dipstick. And then our theory of what we're going to do, we're going to take two of them, put one on one dipstick, one on the other, and then sandwich them together. They'll hold each other together and stop the rattle between the two. And then also, you'll need a bolt and nut. This kit comes with them. Any of this stuff we'll put in the link in the description below in case you're looking for it. But then it'll just go like that. You bolt them together, and that'll take care of your rattle.
And you can guarantee it is stainless steel. That's what we use here.
Since it does have quite a vibration, I recommend putting some thread locker on there or use a locking nut. These are stainless also, so we'll probably have to put thread locker on here so they don't vibrate loose. So let's get started. Okay, we opted for a lock nut instead of the thread locker. You see, it's also stainless. It's like the nylock nuts, it won't let the vibration loosen it. So let's start putting these on here. Sorry if my hand's in the way. Put one around there. Use the pliers to get it, bring the two sides together so the holes line up. There we go. That'll be that one. Do the same thing over here.
Try to get this camera angle where we need.
Sorry if I'm blocking you guys. Now the hard part comes trying to get the bolt through all the holes.
Well, I can assist with that because I can squeeze these together.
I'm gonna try. Maybe you gotta help me squeeze. I don't know. I'm trying to hold them and push it. Push in on that one, would you? Not enough.
Oh, thanks for pushing on my finger.
If I'm hurting you, let me.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Look at this beautiful imprint. It's a smiley face. Look at it. Deformed face.
Oh,
Did you get it?
I think we about got it. If we can get that nut started. Without dropping it down in there.
Don't, please. Oh, hot. Don't touch things that are hot.
I know you guys can't see this, but I'm just putting the nut.
Yeah, when he's done, I'll give you a close-up here. It's pretty self-explanatory exactly what he's doing. as he said, the rubber's grabbing the pipes, and then he's just putting the bolt and keeping them together. So
that's what it's going to look like there. You can see the lock nut on the bottom. I just sandwiched the two together, so when I draw it tight, it'll keep these two from rattling. At least that's the
theory, but I think by how you push them together, it's going to stop it from rattling.
Yeah, it's going to pinch down on there, and they're rubber. These are rubber, so
yeah, it's not going to metal on metal wiggle.
So let's tighten that down.
You saw it did draw them in a little bit more together, so
now, see that rattle, just even doing that, it's not there anymore. That should take care of our rattling issue. And that's it, guys. That should take care of your rattle if it's driving you nuts like it was us. So that's our idea for the fix. We'll let you know how that works out. There you have it, guys. Quick and easy fix for this. If you got that rattle that was driving you guys nuts, definitely was us. For like $20 in materials for them clamps, which we're going to use on a boat, so we got the variety kit. They're also good for other jobs on your SuperDuty. Yeah, if that video was something that helped you guys out, please like, subscribe, hit that post notifications, because we always got videos coming up with just about anything. We do a little bit of everything, actually.
Yeah, and it's almost summertime, so we definitely have more videos coming up. I mean, yeah, as you can still see some snow in the background, but we're getting 45-degree days, so that's something to look forward to. If you guys have any comments on any of the videos, this specifically, or anything that we've done on any previous videos, drop them right in the comment section. Or if you have any suggestions of things you want to see in videos, we like the feedback. It helps us, helps the channel, helps you guys. If you want to help support us, you can always shop through our Amazon influencer. Any shopping you do there gives us a little kickback, which helps us out. If you're into Patreon, you can check out our Patreon. If not, you can always visit our PayPal Me if you're not into Patreon, because I know some people are against it. So that's up to you. And I think that about closes it up.
Yeah, we appreciate all the support, guys.
We love you.
Yeah. If there's anything else you want to see, like you said, leave it down in the comment section. Until next time, try something new.
Yeah, do a little bit of everything.